you ever wondered how a simple hand pump can lift water from 40 to 50 feet underground? It may look like just a simple pipe, but inside it hides incredible engineering secrets. Most people think it's just a pipe, but in reality, every handle movement sets a precise mechanism into motion. Welcome to Village Mechanics Lab. Today we explore the hidden engineering behind the hand pump, a device used every day in villages around the world. Inside the pump, pistons, rods, and valves work together to lift water efficiently from deep underground, using minimal human effort. Hand pumps have been used for centuries. From simple wooden suction pumps to modern steel piston designs, humans have continuously improved this essential tool. Early pumps relied purely on suction, which limited depth and efficiency. Modern pumps use pistons and foot valves to lift water from greater depths. Today, suction, lift, and direct action pumps serve different needs depending on water depth and flow requirements. When you lift the handle, the piston moves upward inside the cylinder, creating a low-pressure zone below it. The foot valve opens to let water in, but closes on the downstroke to prevent backflow. Pushing the handle down closes the foot valve and opens the upper valve, forcing water upward stroke by stroke. Each stroke lifts water higher. Rubber seals ensure no backflow occurs, making each pump stroke efficient. Low pressure pulls water upward while gravity refills the chamber. This simple principle allows minimal human energy to move water efficiently. The design balances force and effort, making it easy to pump water from deep wells for extended periods. In villages, pumps are used daily. Kids fetch water, families wash clothes, and farmers irrigate small plots. Water depth affects pumping speed. Shallow wells require less effort. Deep wells need slower, steady strokes. Some pumps are even connected to tube wells, lifting water from greater depths seamlessly. Hand pumps can lift water from over 50 feet, equivalent to a 5-story building, all with human effort and clever engineering. Faster pumping doesn't always give more water. Smooth, precise strokes matter more than speed. The hand pump is a masterpiece of engineering. Pistons, foot valves, and synchronized strokes lift water efficiently with minimal effort. Subscribe to Village Mechanics Lab for mere amazing engineering secrets from villages worldwide. Like and share this video to support educational content and help others learn the hidden mechanics of everyday inventions.